So, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam, right? So, today we have to discuss about the notification about CSIR 2023. CSIR 2023 notification arises. So, that's why we have to discuss about what subjects is going to take the CSIR people. So, who will eligible for the CSIR people to write the CSIR? What are the benefits we have to get from the CSIR? Right? So, those things we have to learn. First, you have to see. So, UGC people, NTA. NTA is formed because of the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So, Government of India, Ministry of Education formed the NTA, National Testing Agency. In future, all the exams, all the competitive exams, NTA only will conduct. Nowadays, NEET, NTA is conducting. IIT JAM, NTA is conducting. IIT JAM is not conducting the NTA. IIT JAM conducting one IIT around the India. One IIT every year. One IIT is conducting. IIT mains, NTA only conducting. Advanced and mains, NTA only conducting. Central University test also the last 2 years onwards, NTA people only conducting. So nowadays some university exams, University, JNU, DU, like that, Central Universities, PhD entrances also NTA only conducting. So that's why NTA is making a predominant role in future. So all the exams NTA only will conduct around the India. Clear? So that's why we have to discuss about Council of Scientific Industrial Research. Council of Scientific Industrial Research up to 2018. Up to 2018, Council of Scientific Industrial Research, CSIR body. The CSIR body only conducted the exam. The CSIR exam every year 2 times, in the time of June, at the time of December, these people will conduct the exam. But now onwards, after Corona 2020 onwards, so system is changed. Every year 1 time notification is coming. Maybe sometimes they are adjusting the June and December at a time they are conducting. In 20 June and December, in 21 also June and December, in 22 also June and December they are conducting. 23 notification, now June notification did not come, in December only came the notification. So now once you have to see submission of the online application form at the last date of the submission of the online application form, 30th November, please remember, 30th November, 11:50 p.m. up to midnight, right? 30th November, 2023. This is the last date. So please, today's date is maybe 26. Maybe we have to upload this video 27, 28. Or 28. So 3-4 days are there. So you should be aware, if you want to apply the CSIR examination, so you have to apply this one. Clear? So now dates of exams, when at the exam, 3 dates are there: 26, 27, 28, December 2023. Only 1 month is there. Only 1 month is there to conduct the exam. So that's why initially we were preparing from long back onwards, those people should aware about this, right? So those people will apply. So mode of examination is a computer based examination. Duration of the exam time 1 hour, 180 minutes and 3 hours exam. This is the 3 hours exam, right? So this purely objective type exam only, right? Objective type only exam. Please remember. So our exam last date of submission is 30th November 2023. Who is eligible for this examination? What is the fees? how many branches will be there? So those things we have to see here. So first, so we have to take for this is the NTA people is conducting national testing eligibility examination. So now you have to see here how we have to apply the exam. First you have to take here. Who are doing the MSc, first year or second year, whatever it may be, pursuing students and completed students also. So those people will eligible for this, write the examination. So please concentrate on this. So now you have to see here what is the fees. For general people 1100 fees is there for general people. For general and OBC, EWS people, non-creamy layer, you have to take the non-creamy layer certificate, that is up to the notification. When the notification came, that time you have to take the non-creamy layer certificate. So that time you have that certificate you have to upload. So then you will get the fee 550 if it is OBC. So if it is SC/ST, 275 for SC/ST, and third gender trans people can apply. So that is the 275, and PW, if any handicapped people are there, so those people, physically handicapped people, nil fees is there. There is no fees for those people. Clear? So please remember, if it is open category or general, you have to pay the 1100, and if it is OBC or other EWS, general EWS people, that is 550, but you must possess non-creamy layer certificate. So rest of the people, SC/ST 275, third gender 275, PW nil is there. So now how we have to prepare the examination? How many branches are there in this examination? You have to see here. How many branches are there? Only 5 branches are there in this examination. How many branches? Only 5 branches. So what are those branches? You have to see here. Only 5 branches are there. So what are those branches? First branch is chemical sciences. So this chemical science people will get the more number of JRFs, right? First branch is chemical science. What is the chemical science? Here part A is general ability, part B is the subject, part C also subject. From part A, you will get the questions, maximum number of questions 15. So these are same for everyone. So here 35 part B, 25 part C, so 75 total number of questions. But each and every question, part A and part B 2 marks, part C is 4 marks for chemical sciences, only for chemical sciences, not for all. So you have to remember. So 4 marks questions are there for chemical sciences. So 200 maximum marks are there. So negative also is there based on 1/4 negative, 1/4 mark negative, 1/4 part is negative. So you have to remember. So now the second branch is, what is the second branch, Nana? Earth sciences, earth, atmospheric, ocean and planetary sciences. So this one is very, very important. Earth science people also can write. So these people, the part A is the same. This is the general ability and general awareness questions will come. The research aptitude questions also you will get. So 15 maximum questions, marks is 2, negative is 0.5. That is the 1/4. Next part B, 50 questions are there. Subject by subject it will be varying. Here in chemistry part B 40, in earth science 50 questions. So you able to get the maximum number of total number of questions 35. So next 2 marks is there, that is the 0.5 it will get. In part C you will get the maximum total number of questions 80. So you able to do the 25. So 4 each marks is 4, right? So maybe earth science people get the more questions in part C. So total number of marks is 200 only. Everybody you are getting the 200 only. So now the third branch, you have to see the third branch. So what is the third branch, Nana? Life sciences. So total number of questions in part A same. In every branch part A paper is the same. So same means different dates they will conduct the exam. Now different questions will come. If it is the same date, they will get the same paper only. So now 15 is the maximum questions you have to attend. So now the 2 marks each one. So you will get the 0.5. So now you have to see here part B is 50. Part B is 50, right? So part B is total number of questions 50. So similar fashion, 35 for these people, life sciences people. So 2 marks questions, negative is 0.5. So here life sciences people less getting 75 questions part C, 25 questions part maximum you have to attempt. Each and every question is 4 marks question. So 1 mark is negative, total is 200. For everyone total is 200. So now the fourth branch is mathematical sciences. In mathematical sciences also you have to see total number of questions part A is the same. 20 is maximum questions. You have to do the 15 questions. Each and every question carries the 2 marks. Negative is 0.5. So in part B, so you have to see here which science, chemical science and mathematical science is same. 40 you able to get. So you have to do for 25. 3 is the maximum marks. Negative is 0.75. That's why which question you have to know, that question only you have to attempt. In part C, same chemical science and mathematical science people is same. 60 questions you able to get. 20 questions you have to do. Each question 4.75. So the some negative marking here, 0 marking is there in part C, mathematical science people. You able to get the 200 questions. Maximum marks is 200. How many up to now? 1, 2, 3, 4 branches. One more branch is there. That branch is our branch. That is the physical science branch. This is the 5th branch. CSIR people will conduct the exam only 5 branches. Concerning allied subject people also can write in this. Suppose biochemistry people are there. So they can write in biology and life sciences. Simultaneously they can write in the chemical science also. So now statistics people also is there. So statistics people you have to apply for the mathematical sciences. So like that allied subjects people also can apply. Suppose astronomy people are there. So they can apply in the physical science category, right? So like that you have to apply. Only these 5 areas only NTA CSIR people will conduct the exam. Rest of the areas UGC net people will conduct the exam. That notification whenever come. So that time I will come to your YouTube channel. So now once you have to see in physical sciences total number of questions part A is the same. 20 questions you able to get. You able to attempt the 15 questions. 2 questions each and every question you will get the marks. 0.5 is the negative mark. So part B you have to see only 25 questions you able to get. So in physical sciences less number of questions will come. That is the good choice here. Only less number of questions. In part B only 25. If you have to see the in chemical sciences 40, in earth sciences 50, in life sciences 50, in mathematical sciences 40. You compare to other subjects, physical sciences you are getting how many questions? Only 25 questions in part B. Each question carry marks 3.5. In marks variation also very high. Suppose you have to see here in chemical sciences, in earth sciences, in life sciences, in mathematical sciences, you all get each question in part B. So here 2 marks, here 2 marks, here 2 marks, here 3 marks is there. But in in physical science, your marks is 3.5. So that's why each and every negative question, negative how much? 0.875 you are losing the marks. How many marks you have to lose? 0.875 marks you will be lose each for every wrong attempt. Now you have to see in part C also less. Part C also less. Suppose if you have to see in chemical sciences, you will get the 60 questions. In earth sciences, you are getting the more number of questions, 80 questions. In life sciences, you will get the 75 questions. Mathematical sciences 60. So now you are able to see here, in 60, 25 you have to do. In 80, 25 you have to do. In 75, 25 you have to do. In 60, 25 you have to do. First we have to do the only 25, but number of questions are more and more in chemical sciences, earth sciences, life sciences and mathematical sciences. In physical science, once you have to see, in physical sciences, you will get only 30 questions in part C, that is the advanced part. How many questions you have to attempt? Only 20 questions. How many marks you will get the each and every question? 5 marks you have to get. How many marks? 5 marks. So if you have to lose 1 mark, 1 question, you will lose 1.25 marks you will lose, right? So that is very, very important. Part B, 3.5 each and every question. Per part C, 5 marks. If you know the 20 questions, for 20 into 5, 100 marks you will get in part C only. So now 200 marks is there. Total number of marks is 200 marks. So this NTA people conduct the exam only 5 streams, that is the chemical science, life sciences, physical sciences, mathematical sciences and earth sciences, right? So these 5 areas only will conduct the CSIR UGC examination, right? Right now, you able to listen all these things. Who will eligible? So who will eligible for this exam? Once you have to check it, who will eligible for this exam, right? Right. So now you have to see the subject code is 701 for chemical sciences, 702 for earth sciences, 703 for life sciences and 704 for mathematical sciences, 705 for physical sciences. Who are doing the MSc, Master of Science in their respective fields or first year or pursuing people also can apply this examination, because 2 years validity is there to get the certificate. After qualifying this exam also 2 years validity also is there. So that's why you can apply. So 30th November is the last date, right? So these are the centers. Where is the centers are there? So those centers you have to, these many certificates you have to upload it, right? Maybe I will once you have to listen. So we have to start the physical science CSR batch in January. I will upload that video, which batches we have to offer in Quantum Online Academy app, right? So please subscribe our Quantum Online Academy YouTube channel. So you listen whatever the notification will get from NTA, those notification I will upload in your YouTube. So please listen and comment and share to your friends. Okay, thank you.